driving with Genaro. Probably get kicked out. I don't know. I hope not. This is 𝗕𝘂𝗵. Okay. Where is David when I need him for content?
Help me help.
Heyo, what's going on guys, Genaro here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another good day, it's another daily vlog. I want to tell you quickly to like and subscribe because we are lit and that is an actual factual fact. You can check it out on Google or wherever. Probably it's not on Google. Why is it not on Google yet? But it will be on Google someday. And yeah, I still have a lot of trouble with the camera angle. It's my third take or something. This is a tree. Yeah, it's a tree. I can also make it like this, but I don't know because it's either like this and you cannot really see my upper body. It's either like this and I'm not centering the frame, so I don't know, I have to still play in mind with the camera and stuff. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm doing today. At least in the morning it's 9-ish something, and I'm gonna go train back today. It's another gym day. It's Monday. Also I'm gonna meet with my sister because I haven't seen her in a while now. Also she's joining the gym, training legs because that's what girls do. They do train legs. Yay, the more you know, the better or something. And I don't know what I'm doing. Also, I know that over 90% or something of you are not subscribed to the channel that are watching this vlog, so I want to tell you to subscribe, like, hit the button, it's free and you save lives. There are kids in Africa.
Again, there are kids everywhere, Genaro, so I'm thinking you should stop the shit.
And yeah, let's go ahead and start this vlog. Okay guys, driving with Genaro! Ooh, what a car! On my way to the gym right now. Everything is fine, everything is cool, besides my hair, as you can tell. So I don't know, man, I don't know. It's a long drive, I hate it. I hate so much the drive to the gym because it's boring, nothing interesting happens. So I don't know, let's spice things up, let's make a crash or something. Nah. What? Look at my hair. Wow! And I never have signal on the radio. Like, you can hear that, right? What the f is this? Radio. Anyway, another good day. Hi România, let's go. Ce ești pe dincolo? Pe aici se vine. This is getting boring. Alright, this is stealth mode vlogging. We are just outside Lidl and we are about to go shop some groceries. Yay! Probably get kicked out. I don't know. I hope not. So let's go. Hashtag vlog, dude. Take one of these. One like this. Red? Oh, it's better red, yeah. But you are ugly, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, shopping for my sister who is homeless and she didn't eat. You can tell by her legs that she's sub. Hai. Da, ca aia cu pantaloni albaștri. Ok, so. Bă, dar câte mere e nebunul. Uite, look at these. 10,000 apples. Apples. We have tuna. Whoa. This is heavy. Hashtag vlog, dude. Alright guys, so it's McDonald's time. I have some gifts for you. Look, this is pomano. No, it's empty. You have to buy the capsules or whatever. Wow! Wow! The weather outside is at least somewhat interesting. It's cold. Okay guys, so cooking with Genaro. This is the most I can do. Everything that my mom taught me. So this is cold, so I figured let's just heat it up. Maybe I can put it in the toaster. That could be interesting. Let's see.
Băiatul
Okay. I'm having so much fun. Okay. Okay, hopefully it's heated up. So, grocery haul with my sister. What did you buy? Where is David when I need him for content? Okay. So. Alright guys. So this is my meal for today. Okay. It looks I don't mind. It's actually pretty cold. Bye. 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 Fist bump with me. Because it doesn't work. What? Look, catch. Coleslaw. Spekla. Bye bitches, let's go. Okay. Alright guys, that was fun. Kind of, not really, I mean, whatever. So, let me just give her the phone. Și-am filmat-o cu el. Ai filmarea? Ok. Okay, that was fun. Let's go home, bye. Okay, doesn't work. They don't have cameras. No. No, they don't. Alright, guys. I'm going home. I need to cook something. I need to. I don't want to cook like an adult. It's hard being an adult, trust me. I would know. I'm 24. Okay, so good news. Yeah, this was basically the road before, kind of, in front of my driveway. And this is it now. I mean, this is a lot better because I'm not all dirty on my shoes anymore. So shut up. Anyway, guys. Hey Hugo, what up? What up? Sit, sit, sit. Hi, 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 hi. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
SUP.